Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Notifications, then choose Messages or the specific app. This gives you the control panel for alert styles and previews. Once there, make sure Allow Notifications is turned on so the options appear. You'll see options for Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners. Leave the types you prefer. Do this first because hiding content depends on preview controls, and changing previews without notifications enabled won't affect what appears on the lock screen. Next, tap Show Previews and choose the level of privacy you want. If you pick When Unlocked, message content stays hidden on the lock screen but becomes visible after Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Useful for quick identification without exposing content to passersby. Selecting never removes previews entirely, keeping content private in all contexts, but requiring you to open the app to read messages. Make sure to test with a short message so you confirm behavior before relying on it. Finally, repeat per-app adjustments if you need different behavior across apps. Go back to Notifications and fine-tune each app's lock screen and banner settings. Once done, send yourself a test message, lock the phone, and confirm the notification shows only the app name or new message without content. If it still shows previews, restart the iPhone and revisit Show Previews. Toggling to Never and back to When Unlocked often forces the system to apply changes. That usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.